Little Kids TV.
Parrot! Parrot! The parrot can repeat what we say. Isn't it cool? Sparrow! Sparrow! The sparrow is small and cute. Crow! Crow! The crow calls loudly. Woodpecker! Woodpecker! The woodpecker makes small holes in a tree. Pelican! Pelican! Wow! What's in the pelican's stretchy beak? Hummingbird! Hummingbird! The hummingbird's wings move super fast! Amazing! Flamingo! Flamingo! The flamingo is standing on one leg. Seagull! Seagull! The seagull is flying over the sea. Eagle! Eagle! The eagle has sharp eyes. It's so scary. Toucan! Toucan! The toucan has a big, unique beak. Bat! Bat! The bat hangs upside down in the cave. Blue jay! Blue jay! The blue jay is wearing a blue suit. Swan! Swan! The swan is floating on the water. It's so graceful. Nightingale! Nightingale! The nightingale can sing beautifully. Owl! Owl! It's getting dark. The owl is awake at night.